BlueHills humidifier, essential oil diffuser with a 4,000 milliliter capacity. This has colorful LED lights. It's supposed to help keep your skin moistened. Here's some specs. Here's the features. It holds up to 4,000 milliliters of water, allowing for a runtime of 24 hours in high mist and 50 hours in low mist. Automatically shuts off when water supply is depleted. Has a high mist, low mist, and sleep mode. Timer function 2 hours, 4 hours, 8. Humidifies and aromatizes the air. You can recycle the colors to your favorite color. It has a night mode option and BPA-free non-toxic materials. BlueHills.io. Little thank you card. Instruction booklet. And a remote control, which will pull this out to activate the battery. The remote has lights, mist volume, sleep mode, and a timer. It came completely wrapped in plastic, which I had to cut off. I'm looking for a big diffuser for school because I don't like filling it up like 4 and 5 times a day. This looks a lot like the one that I have that we just wore out from using it every single day. Says, I can't read because it's got a screw in there, do not pour water to exceed the water here into the outlet. Has settings that are very similar to the one that I have. It has a power cord. I cleaned the interior as suggested by the manual. I'm going to show you how to operate this. Plug it in. Heard it beep. It holds 4 liters of water. It does have a fill line, and you don't want to pour water on top of this. So I'm going to pour the water on this side. We'll test it with this level. I need to choose an oil to use. I think I'll add patchouli. This is just from Mainstays from Walmart. These I buy the gentleman's oil that I get from Amazon. Subscribe and save. In the manual, it tells you since this holds a lot of water that you have to add the oil that's proportionate. Patchouli is pretty strong scent, so we're going to go with that much. I need to add the top. The instructions say if I hit the mist button, it's supposed to come on. 1 press gives me high mist, 2 press gives the low mist, and 3 puts it in sleep mode. Oh, I can smell it already. I accidentally hit that button. So the 3rd one puts it in sleep mode. I think that just cuts off the light so that you can sleep. Now it's off with the 4th. I'm going to press it 1 time so it's going to be on high. I can change the lights. On the light button, when you press it once, it cycles through the different colors. If you press it twice, it's going to stay on the color that it was on when you pressed it. If you press the light button 3 times, the lights will turn off. So if I press it the 2nd time, it's supposed to stay on blue. If I press it 3 times, the light cuts off. Put it back on cycle with 1 press. You can use the timer button. Keep it on for 2 hours, for 4 hours, for 8 hours. Leaving it on. Give you a close-up of that again. So that 2nd press is going to put it on low. 3rd press on the mist is going to put it on night mode. 4th press is going to cut it off. 1 press for high. 2 press for low. 3 press for night. 4 presses for off. Put it back on high. The light, press it 1 time and it cycles through all of the colors. If I want it to stay on a certain color, once I get to that color, I press it again and now it's going to stay on green. I press the light button the 3rd time, it cuts the color light off. I can set the timer by pressing it. It automatically goes to on. If I press the timer 1 time, it goes to 2 hours. 2nd time, it goes to staying on for 4 hours. The 3rd time, it goes to 8 hours. And the 4th time, it goes back just on. Simple enough. I moved it to a different location so that we can test out the remote. Hitting the light button. It's supposed to cycle through. Now hit the mist volume. First time, it should be on high. If I want to put it in sleep mode, I can hit the sleep mode tab. If I want to set the timer, I can set the timer. I want to keep it on and let it cycle through the colors. So I just hit the light one time and the mist volume one time. Now I'll let it run for just a little bit so you can see how soothing it sounds and watch it cycle through the colors. Maybe I need to hit that light button again. Now we're cycling. The number of drops that I put for filling it a little over halfway were exactly the right amount. Smells wonderful. I let mine go until it used up all the water, and it looks like it did auto shut off for the mist, but it didn't auto shut off for the light. I'm going to try it again and report back. Second use, let it run on high and just cycle through the lights. I'm very satisfied with the misting capacity of this. I can already smell it and only put about 8 drops of the patchouli oil in there this time. Second time, same thing. No mist, water's out, but the automatic shut-off only applies to the mist, apparently not to the light. I've been using the diffuser for about 10 days now. One thing I've learned about this mister, I was disappointed because I had it on and it wasn't misting. It was just like really barely coming out, but what happened was I didn't have it fully seated. You see the difference? You can't just drop it in. I think it's going to go into place by itself. You have to actually kind of push it down a little bit. Make sure that it is fully seated down in there to get your full mist. See what I mean? Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. Again, thank you for watching and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.